Presenting a pre-owned 2011 BMW. 2011 BMW 335i turbocharged luxury meets performance. This two-door convertible has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed transmission. This BMW has less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Looking for a sleek ride that's fun and reliable? Check out this 2011 BMW 335i. Powered by a 3.0L turbo i6 engine with 300 horsepower and 300 lb-ft torque, it delivers thrilling performance and smooth luxury. Dressed in jet black with a stunning Saddle Brown Dakota Leather interior, it's a true head-turner. With under 100k miles, less than 7k/year, it's barely broken in. Enjoy 19 mpg city/28 highway, keeping fuel costs low while cruising in style. Fully loaded from the factory and in excellent condition, this gem comes with a clean Carfax, no accidents, no nonsense. It's like finding a unicorn in the used market. Don't miss your chance to own this luxurious, sporty ride. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.